directly live or he's gonna call.
Suhani, you are directly live. This is the start of the show. I just have to tell you, my guest has just come in, but she's a woman of magic. So, she can disappear anytime. So, got to be careful. Before we introduce her properly, I just want to tell you what happened. I have it here with me in the office where I work. Yeah, I'm a labor class man who gives coffee and tea to people in Churchgate, Fountain area. We have a public urinal which has to be used by everybody, and I'm all for that because I believe that's what brings Indians together, peeing. I keep it on my ear while I, use whatever is needed to be used, and it fell into the urinal fountain slab thing where men stand and pee. Now the question is, do I wash it or do I just wear it? Because I have to wear it. There's no time to wash it. Plus, I think it's very flimsy. If I do wash it, it'll probably get destroyed. So this is a question which can only be answered by my guest, who is a magician and a woman of great personal hygiene. Swani, are you there? Swani, you're hiding.
I
She's
don't want to
actually
answer that
disappeared.
question.
I just look. I know it's a little awkward, but I need some help on this one. It's a tough one, and I
First
don't
of all,
want to.
why did you remove it? That's my question.
I was alone in the loo. Yeah, there's nobody here in the building in the morning. They all come after 10, and so I just kept it there on my ear while I was,
No,
peeing.
that's my first problem. Even if there's nobody, you should not remove it.
I'll wear it now also.
Please leave it. No.
Swani, is that your phone? Please take it. Don't worry. Ours is a
Yeah.
very informal thing. What if it's an emergency? Somebody
No,
needs a
it's not an
magician.
emergency. It's
It's
not
the
an
dying
emergency.
wish of one chacha to hear from a magician before he dies. Take it, otherwise it'll be on my conscience. While I, in the meantime,
If it was my chacha calling right now, I would have been like, how did he know? I would have gone mad right now.
he must have heard the beginning of the show and said, "Get off it, please. Do not be on the show with this man." Okay, last question.
Yes.
Can I turn it this way and
Last
wear it?
question, as in, is this the end of the podcast? This is
Last
it?
question of this stupid, awkward debate. You're right. You're right.
Okay. Okay.
If I wear it ulta, will that be the right thing to do? Because it fell on
I
one
don't think
side.
you should wear it in any possible way right
So
now.
no mask, I'm free. Thank you. Suhani says no mask, I'm free. No, I don't care
I
what the
didn't
chief
say
minister
that.
says. Yeah,
Also,
you
when
have
you
given me
leave it,
permission.
please keep the strings off it when you throw it off because it's not good for the environment. Like it gets stuck in
Strings
birds
of it.
and
Strings manje?
yeah.
You
Strings
remove the
manje.
string.
Yeah. So when you throw it, when
Oh.
you throw the masks, strings detach karke throw karna chahiye so that it doesn't affect the birds
I
and the
I don't throw it. What I do is when my wife is fast asleep, I
Just
put
don't
it in
eat.
her
You
mouth.
don't eat it. Oh,
She tends to swallow it. And then, it's a happy outcome from all that. We are very close family that way. Everything is recycled. I won't take it that far. I'll leave it there. Let's now get to you because this show is about you and we must never get distracted by hygiene. Hygiene is a waste of
okay,
time. I'm
okay,
anti-hygiene. Suhani
okay.
Shah, what a nice bio you've got. I've got a lot of questions to ask, but I'll just three, four line ka intro for a couple of people who
Sure.
don't know much about magicians. By the way, I'm watching this show called Merlin on Netflix. So I'm very
Yeah.
much into the whole magic thing. Of course, it's over the top magic, but I wish I could, sometimes, open a door with just your eyes, king, those kind of things, move traffic, find a parking spot, one car disappears. Do you have that kind of
Read
power?
people's read people's minds and know their passcodes and understand what they're thinking of and know when they are
Wow.
lying and when they are not.
Suhani, A Life of Crime. I've got your biopic. Excellent. Okay, so you're one of the biggest names in Indian magic today. You've got
Really?
great. Yes. Well, that's what you told me to say.
I didn't say anything. I didn't say that.
Your chacha's calling.
You're
Take the
not
call.
supposed to say
Chacha's
that,
calling.
Cyrus.
No, I'm kidding. Wonderful skills in sleight. Okay, let's understand because they're all different. Sleight of hand, mind reading, situational comedy, and audience participation. Okay, the last two are basically as a performer. I understand that. So sleight of hand, mind reading, and then we'll come to this hypnotherapy and mentalism. So just let's start just explain that to us. Then we'll look at your life and how you got into it. Sleight of hand is basically what you do with those rabbits coming out of hats and all, right? I
No.
mean,
That's more of conjuring. Sleight of
oh,
hand is more like close-up tricks. You know, you show empty hands and then you appear something. I wish I could do that right now.
I
But
also do
something
that.
like yeah,
Okay, see,
right.
you see this in my hand? Now watch. Hincha, vincha, vincha. Gone.
Damn, how did you do that?
Not bad. It's a start. Now, okay. Now your turn. Come on. Can you do?
No, my turn
Seriously,
right
can you
now.
do can you do this sleight of hand thing for us?
Yeah, of course I can. Give me some time now. You don't have to be so prepared to watch it. I'll do it in a while.
Okay, fair enough. So
Yeah.
you'll explain that physically as well, and now we've sort of understood it. So basically, you use your hands to make things happen. Mind reading,
Yeah.
obviously, is mind reading also is a very old art, is it not? I mean, people used to
Yeah,
pay
magic
money
in
to.
general is an old art form. It's like an ancient art form. And when we say slide, there are a lot of others. Like, you know how there's dancing and there are different forms of genres of dancing, like hip hop, kuchipudi, bharatnatyam, tap dancing, contemporary. Similarly, in
Luka,
magic,
Luka dancing, Luka Lafanga dancing. That's
oh,
what
okay,
we do
that's like the Bharat dancing.
during Ganpati festivals and my Bharat
Yeah,
dance, Sangeet dancing, and
yeah,
all. Don't
yeah.
like leave that out here. That's my main dancing, man.
Damn, shit, I'm so sorry. Sorry,
Yeah,
I
that's
didn't mean to offend you.
you offended
So,
me.
so
Uh,
similarly, magic is like the parent category in which you have like a lot of other subgenres. Like there's street magic. There are magicians who go walk the streets and perform magic with random people. There is parlor magic. There is conjuring. There is escapology. There is mentalism. So there are like different genres of magic.
so street magic basically is poor magicians because that's all they got. Like how
Possibly.
we do street plays
You
when we have
can't.
no other
You
work.
shouldn't call that because there are like biggest of magicians who perform on the streets, like David Blaine and people like that.
But so those are real things that they do. I mean, with people, or is it set up? Because I've seen a couple of those things. He walks on a beach and there are five people, and he says, "Will you believe this?" or whatever, and perform some trick. And so those people are not set up, right? I mean, those are real.
But the point is that when people are not able to understand how things are done, it's very easy to say, "Ki, हाँ, ये तो setup था, it is their people only." It is only when it happens with them, they feel like, oh, it's all. And that is the bit about magic. If you believe that it is happening in real, then what's the point of it? It has to be
But
impossible.
but Swani, that's the whole issue now for a viewer. Ki, is it real or not? Is we have the proof only in that person's the victim, if you want to call it, or the client, or the person who's
Victim,
involved.
oh my god.
Sometimes
You're
they become like a victim.
entertaining people, it's not a victim.
Ah, so I'm saying those are the people who will tell us if it's real or not, because what we see looks real or whatever, but only they can verify. So I was just asking you that. Please, I'm a big
That's why
fan.
I say
I'm
that's
not
why I say
against.
everybody should
Yeah,
attend a magic show in life.
I've attended many. I paid for some. One magician's pigeon didn't come out
Paid
of the
for
hat.
some.
We had to go to bring the pigeon out,
Did you
and
do
then
that?
my daughter's birthday party, so we were panicking because he had done everything and the pigeon atak gaya beech mein, and
Oh
everyone was like,
shit.
"Where kabutar ja was kabutar ruk happened." It was fun. Anyway, look, let's talk about you. So you mentioned all these different genres. Now let's go back and understand you at such a young age. Apparently, at a very young age, you actually started working with magic, or that was just like fun.
No, I started performing professionally at the age of 7.
Wow. Now, please tell
So,
us how that happened. I mean, how ambitious is your family?
oh
Beta,
yeah,
don't waste time.
seriously,
Off you go.
exactly. I'm also surprised with my father. So what used to happen was, I was like a little kid who. So if somebody, as kids, you ask kids that, oh, what do you want to become when you grow older? And kids around me, my cousins and all, would say like a teacher or a doctor or anything they could pronounce easily. And whenever I used to hear them, I was like, अच्छा वो teacher बन रही है तो मुझे तो teacher नहीं बनना. So I don't want to copy answers. I don't want to do what everybody else is doing. So that was like my first thing. कि कुछ तो different करना है. And I remember once I saw some magic program on television, and I was too impressed. I was like, I want to do that. I want to do that. And I remember walking up to my father one day and I was like, Papa, मुझे magic करना है. My dad was like, हाँ, जा जाके पढ़ाई कर.
But
Go
what
on.
does dad do? I mean, nothing
He,
close
he
to
has a
magic.
business. He had a business. That time he had a
Oh,
business. Like
okay,
even even Ahmedabad and garment export business, like simple.
so nothing to do with magic or the arts.
Nothing to do with the entertainment field. Like we wouldn't even we would hardly, my parents wouldn't even watch television. We would watch, we would watch your shows. I was a big fan.
Oh God.
So
Now, don't blame me for everything. Let's get back. Yeah.
so all happened. And initially he was like, okay, she's just saying because I keep saying a lot of things. Kids come and say a lot of things they want to do. But at one point I think he realized that I'm serious about what I'm saying. And then
But you were 7. How can you take it so
I was
seriously?
6. I was
6.
That's the thing. He
It's
just
like me
takes
telling.
everything.
I told my mom I want to be Spider-Man or whatever, and I mean, they didn't even listen. How much I tried Spider-Man, and they were, yeah, Spider-Man. That's it.
But that's my father, and I'm amazed because not just me, even my brother, he would say anything, and it was anything that we kids would say was taken seriously. Like I would say, I want to do computers. You wouldn't even believe I did basic diploma in computers when I was 7 years old, before even I started magic. He's like, don't waste your time. You want to do something, do it in the best possible way. Otherwise, don't do it. He didn't understand कि hobby कुछ नहीं होता है.
So let's point out that this is done out of love, not force. Some people
No, no, no.
think that he's one of those over-ambitious parents that you read
No,
about,
no,
these over,
no,
what
no.
are the tiger moms in China and all, who make the child go crazy from the age of 3. But that's done with a stick. But this is done
Yes.
with
No, it
love.
was all about what I wanted to do. It was always about
Correct.
what I
So in a
wanted
way,
to do.
he's
It was not.
spoiling you. Whatever you do, he's indulging you and saying, "Ki karo." Just
Yeah.
encouraging you.
He
Yeah.
was more like कि अब करना है अगर तुमको ये तो do it in the best possible way. Like the moment
What
he
if you said,
agreed.
why didn't you say things like, "I want to beat up boys" or something? What if you said something abstract?
No, I
Like I want to.
knew my dad would have been like तू कर नहीं सकती तो क्यों बोलती है, you know? Like I remember
But I
I
would
was
think that's easier than magic for a 6-year-old.
no.
For a 6-year-old saying,
I'll tell you what. I was into swimming. Okay, and I was like a medalist. I at 6 years or 7 years, I was also into swimming. I mean, we used to do. I tell you, no, my father would make us do everything that we would say. And then at one point, I remember he coming and telling me, considering our bodies and the way we are, like a Marwadi middle class family, not eating non veg, it's very difficult for you to compete in Olympics. So why to waste your time in swimming? And I was like at that time, I didn't even understand much. Now that I think of it, I'm like,
"Arey, come to me. I would have given you supplements. Don't let vegetarianism defeat you. That's not a
but
problem. There's
that
chemicals
was
out there. Huh?
but
They
that's the
work like
point.
magic."
He was always like this, like whatever you want to do it in the best possible way. You want to do magic, go out, do it, and I'll help you to do it in the best way. So he was always
But,
like that.
but look, we're making fun and all that, but I think a lot of respect to your dad, because I think most dads are
Yeah.
not like that. Where there's a line between indulging and yeah, wink wink to the other parent ki yahan karna padega, whatever, and then
Yes.
the actual like, what the hell, beta, let's go for it. So I mean, for
Yeah.
him to take that extra step, you've got to give him a little credit here. Now tell us,
I think
how did you
not
become so
just for
good?
that step, but also because he was quite a visionary, to be honest. He could visualize that I could do it. Because not just about the magic bit, because when I started performing magic, it was a lot of investment. It was a lot of chaos, to be honest. Because where do you learn magic from? I didn't know how
How
to
do you
perform.
start?
Exactly. So that was like, I don't know how did I even do it, but it was very difficult to find people to teach me magic. And my father was very adamant ke school college mein kya dikhana hai? If you want to perform, we'll do a big stage show. Like he was nothing less than a stage show that was going to happen. And it took around like 9 to 10 months to find people. Like magicians would not teach. So we would find
Why will they not teach?
the magicians don't teach. It's like the magic is all about the mystery of it.
How
So
dare they behave
you
like this? Give me the names of these magicians. I have some influence with the local government. I know a couple of people in NCP party. We'll see
even
what
I
we can
don't
do.
teach science. Even I don't teach.
Are you serious? I thought it was a joke. Magicians don't tell or something. There's a line, right?
But that's the idea. The entire art form will die if everybody starts teaching. Like even I teach, but what do I teach
But
would
then
be
how do you make the
basics
art
of
form carry
magic.
on? Same.
By,
What you're saying
by,
is
by
also
keeping the
opposite.
mystery tight. No, that's the
But then
thing
how does a
about
young
magic.
Suhani, 6-year-old girl with a dad in the garment business, how the hell will you crack this system? How do you get in? I mean, if it's so closed.
Look, that time it was very difficult. I did not get magicians to teach me, but we did find was, there are assistants who are in a magic show, like people who give the sound, who open the curtains, the girls, the boys who come on stage and assist the magicians. We got a troupe of those people, and then we
Oh,
convinced them to
the
teach me
curtain,
magic.
the curtain operator was the one teaching you. Let me understand. So you
Dude, I'm
didn't
not
get
even
to,
kidding, Cyrus. It's true.
in cricket terms, you didn't get Ravi Shastri, but you could get Bharat Arun, the bowling specialist. So, who's less high profile or whatever, and you don't know how much he knows, but, he was willing to help you. So that's strange. They're also part of the magic culture and they're willing to help some young. But, you're only 6 years old. How can they get threatened? I mean, I'm just thinking if a 6-year-old child comes to you to learn whatever art form, even medicine, why would anyone be threatened? It'll be quite cute, I would think.
I don't think it's just about a 6-year-old me. There would be many other kids who would be going to magicians. Like today, I get a lot of people coming out and telling me, teachers how to read minds, teachers, what do you do? The idea of any other art form, the more you teach, the more you develop the art form, the more you're spreading awareness about it. Magic goes the other way. The more you teach, the more you kill the art form. If I open a school of magic in Bombay, let's say in Kolaba, all the kids in Kolaba will know how to do magic. Who are they going to show magic? Because the trick has died. Everybody knows how it's done. So magic is all about the mystery of it, the secret of it. If that's gone, the art form dies. So the lesser the magician, the better the quality, the better the art form remains.
But Harry Potter went to magic school, no?
And that's the movie, right?
That didn't really happen. Okay,
No.
so getting back to the beginning, so these guys started teaching you, but again, you're just 6. Dad has no idea about this world, so you're
No.
just picking up whatever you're picking up. How did you put a stage show together in less than 1 year at that young
So
age?
that's the true. I didn't get like one person to teach me. We got a group of people. So in that, fortunately, this was a group of people that had every, like, they were like this big family who used to assist magicians. So the two sisters used to help in performing the act. The guy used to help in, he was a sound engineer, so he would give music. His wife was somebody who would take care of the backstage. So we got this
They were
entire
like production,
family.
basically. The
Yeah,
production team
sort
of a
of.
magician. Ooh,
Sort
that's
of.
a
There
good
was
idea, actually.
production, assistants, everybody in the same family. It just worked for us because the moment we got them, and it took time to convince them to teach me and telling them that I'm serious about what I'm doing and all those things. But they were kind enough to agree to do that. And then this one problem got solved, then the other problem started. That then we have to hire an auditorium, hire it for 6 months, build up sets,
For
build
six
buy.
months,
Yeah, because we have to rehearse, set up,
that's a lot of money. They'll charge you a lot of money for 6 months.
exactly. So we took up like a very like this was like a not a very high end auditorium. It's like a outskirts of Ahmedabad and an auditorium which we could afford at that time. Basically, it wasn't very expensive at that time. And if there were shows, and also we would quit, like we would vacate it for them and stuff like that. So I think that made that arrangement with them so that we could make the setup, because it was going to take a lot of time because equipments were larger than life, like 2 trucks of goods. It was crazy.
But did you feel pressure? I mean, you're just 6, 7 years old, and suddenly, so it's a proper production. Dad is invested in it. So many people are helping you, coaching you, and now you're holding up an auditorium and you're going to perform. For a young child, there must be a little bit of pressure.
I mean, you're too young to understand pressure. You're too young to understand what's happening and things like that. For me, I was just doing what I like to do. I was enjoying the process, and I was just trying to make a good show. You don't understand so much at 6. I'm too young to, oh, stage fear. Oh, what will this person say? That all happens now. Now I have a fear of judgment. That time there was nothing.
Or Suhani, you're so ambitious that at 6 you're unbelievable. You're like, and you are a prodigy, so it's very possible that you actually didn't think negatively at all at that point. It was just like, I want to do this.
Yeah.
It's amazing how young kids can go into an adult world and adapt like that. I mean, one thing is there, I think, is that you guys don't have any negative baggage. And that's one really big advantage compared to exactly what you're saying. Your older self, being an adult, sees all that pressure. I've been an adult from a very young age. It's been very painful for me. I don't want to get into it. But so very interesting. So you took a whole auditorium, you rehearsed, you practiced, you created your own magic acts, I suppose, which probably for hour, 2 hours kind of act.
Two and a
Which in
half, 3 hour show with an
3 hour
interval,
show.
like proper three
I,
hour show.
I want to stop the podcast. I'm feeling tired. It's only like 18 minutes. What are you
Damn, I'm
saying?
that boring, Cyrus.
No, you're lovely, but I'm just thinking, that when we do stand up, also half an hour, 40 minutes, every time we argue with the client, if he says 40, I say 30. Because I only get bored. 3 hours is not. I've seen Johnny Lever do a 2.5 hour show, man. It's something
Yeah.
else because from start to finish, there's no drop. It remains consistent, which is just unbelievable. So,
Yeah.
so maybe in a way, it was just great that you were so young. You didn't realize 3 hours, or 4 ghanta, 5 ghante, kitna time
Yeah.
hai, it didn't matter. But
Didn't
the
matter.
thing you mentioned, which you must have honed immediately, was audience participation, situational comedy, which you have to be a performer plus a magician. You got to
Yeah.
engage with them for such a long period of time. That came
Yeah.
naturally to you, or how did that part come?
No, that didn't come to me naturally. I'll be very honest. So what happened? I did not have stage fear because, of course, you're so young that you put. Just doesn't
You
matter.
have your own
You're too young.
auditorium. Stage fear is on
Yeah.
day one. After 6 months, it's like your
Not.
home. Huh.
But that's actually true. I feel stage is my home. Like I feel very uncomfortable sitting in the audience or getting into a party. Like people see me super confident on stage and they think that I'm going to be this way everywhere, and they don't realize that I'm just confident on stage. You put me in a party with so many people, I'm like, I'll be in that corner. Like when do I
No,
leave?
if it's a wedding and they have a stage, then you're okay because you can go there
Yeah,
and
yeah,
stand
yeah,
there.
totally.
Yeah.
No, I'll take the mic. I'll make sure I'll
You
say
say,
something.
like, yeah. Sorry, Sharmas, please stand aside. This is about how to make the pigeon come out of the hat. Hey, when are you doing a trick? You said you'll do a trick for us. And at some point,
When
are you going to read our minds? Silvery will come in
I
five,
can do
seven
that.
minutes.
I can do that. Oh, I have a card over here. Do you want to see a card? Quick
Yeah,
card
yeah,
trick.
yeah. Yeah, please.
Okay, simple card. I want you to count to. Okay,
I'll,
Cyrus, I want
I'll
you to
do all
count to
that.
3. I want you to count to 3.
But I have to count all the numbers or just straight to 3?
No, Cyrus, 1, 2, 3. No,
Correct. Sorry.
it's
1,
my
2.
show right now. Okay, when I
I
say start, 1,
apologize.
2, 3, start. No, you have to say it out loud. It doesn't work other than that.
Am I the worst audience you've ever had?
Yeah,
Okay.
like irritating a bit, but okay.
Oh God. 3 hours she managed at 8-6 and 30 seconds with me and she wants to shoot me. Okay. 1, 2,
A bit
3.
slow.
Huh? Hey, what happened there? Okay, can we do it again? Let me watch it carefully.
Magic
Ready?
happens only once.
Oh, we'll play the loop again. So it changed
Do that.
color.
You can do
Wow.
that. You can play the loop.
But if in a big auditorium, can people see this kind of act because it's a small
No,
card
no,
and all
no,
that?
no. This is not what I do. So I am not a visual artist. I'm a mentalist.
Okay.
So I'm not somebody who like you know how you have visual
Changes the
performance.
creates the physical thing. Yeah.
Correct. So I started my career as an illusionist. So there was a proper stage performance, larger than life acts, and I'm flying in the air, cutting a person into half, disappearing from here and appearing from somebody else, somewhere else, things like that. But few years ago, when comedy kicked in the country, I realized that you need to adapt and corporate shows and things like that. So I took a break. I took a really long break, around 9-10 months, and then I got into mentalism, which doesn't involve any props. So now it's just me, the audience, and the mic, and it's now more of things to do
So
with
now
people.
it's like those this Israeli guys who come down. What are they? Lior Suchard and
Liar Shishad,
yeah,
Nikolai
yeah.
Fedorich,
Is
things
it
like
is it
that.
like that? Because I've seen one of
Yeah.
those shows. Oh,
Yes.
excellent. That's scary, man. When they tell
It's
you who
very
your ex
interesting, yeah.
girlfriend was or boyfriend was and this and that.
Yeah. Seriously, you
And
need to
some
see some of my shows, videos.
I
I
will.
have done
I
all
will.
of that.
Oh wow. So
Yeah.
because Silvery, our producer, promised that you'll do a couple of them. I don't want to force you because I know that's your act and your bread and butter, and we have no money.
It's
Who,
that morning you just started this. I was not prepared for it, but I'll do
where
something.
who
I'll
are you?
figure it out.
Do you have like a midget assistant? Who are you talking to down when you look down?
No, I don't have anything. I'm a
Who's there?
midget.
You're a midget. To all those who are short, that's just no disrespect. I'm also short. Swani's saying she's also short. So we're all short people here. So we're allowed to make fun. Okay, so you said you did that. Then what is so there are two things I didn't understand. So professional hypnotherapist, as in
Yeah.
hypnotist, which is
Yeah.
what we are known, what we sort of understand lay for Aam Aadmi. Hypnotherapist kya hota hai, and what is mentalism vis-a-vis hypnotherapist? What is the difference?
Oh, they're two
It's like a
completely
science
different.
question. Huh.
No, they're two completely different professions. It's just that I
Oh,
happen to be both, but they're not even connected anyway. So mentalism is, of course, it's magic, subgenre of magic, where there is a person who performs tricks with your mind involving psychology and a bit of magic trickery. It could be sleight of hand or anything else. A hypnotherapist is a therapist who uses hypnosis, which is sort of therapy related to your sleep, um, to cure or bring about changes in your behavior or whatever the reason
but
the person has come to.
those guys put the client to sleep, right? When they're
You don't
treating
put
them.
them to sleep.
No, and then they can steal your wallet or
No.
draw a mustache on your mother's face. I mean, they can do very bad things. I'm very scared of hypnotherapy because you actually fall asleep. Do you not? I mean, like a coma.
No, you don't fall asleep. That's a
Then,
myth.
then
You don't fall asleep in hypnosis. In
my friend
fact,
went to cure his cigarette smoking to one guy like this who lives very close to where I am right now, and it was 2,000 rupees per time. After 6,000 rupees, he stopped smoking because he had no money, not because of the hypnotherapy. It was very expensive, and I'm talking about 10 years back. And I was like, really? And he told me he tells me to relax and look into his eyes and
but did
this
he
and
did
that.
he quit smoking eventually with that?
But he quit because he saw a guy die of a heart attack at a restaurant. And then all his dieting and all started and this cigarette smoking and all. But that was out of fear. But it didn't happen. He left that guy.
Okay.
He just wasn't getting the result. Like he wasn't, apparently he was not letting himself relax and listen to the guy properly.
Yeah.
The guy kept
Yeah.
complaining that you got to, trust in me. So like there are certain
Yeah.
personalities, I believe, who just don't, they just stay in their shell and you need
Yes.
them to listen to you.
Correct.
So,
But then that was probably he must have taken long time back. That's why. But now there are other things that have helped. Like even if you're not listening or you're very you're not opening up to the therapist. Now we
fidgety.
also fidgety. Not just fidgeties. There's some people who don't want to open up. They don't want to give control to somebody else that they trust. That they have trust issues sometimes. So nowadays you also have something called biofeedback and other things that have come up where even if you are not listening to the therapist carefully, they'll make you sit down, they'll listen to you. That will automatically put your brain frequencies down to a level where we'll be able to instruct you. So I don't continue as a hypnotherapist anymore. When I used to stay in Goa, I ran my clinic for like 10 years, 9, 10 years.
Wow.
Then I moved to Bombay a few years back, and
But-
in Bombay, when I came here, I realized I don't want to, like, it's too much for me to just focus on everything.
God, did you talk to anyone who committed murders or horrible crimes? And do you have any
Once.
people with
Twice.
vicious personality
Not
disorders?
one, yeah, a lot of them. Like, that's what they come to us. Like, the thing about therapy and hypnotherapy is, like, people don't come to you when they fight. Okay, a couple will not come to us when they are fighting. They'll come to us when they want to have a divorce. Like, people will not come to us when they are thinking negative. They'll come to us when they have reached depression. People will, like, they have reached the
Ooh.
extreme of the problem, and then they go out and seek help, which I do not recommend. I always tell people that, at the point where you have started to feel that something is not normal, please seek therapy then only, because it's so much easier to solve it at that point. Of course, the job of a therapist is to solve it at any point, but it's easier for the others who are coming to us, that us or whatever, the therapist, that when they come at a point where it's easy to rewind it. So yeah.
I'll ask you one question, slightly rough question. Do you think everybody in the world needs therapy? I read this one article from some American college which said that no matter who you are, you benefit from therapy. We have a wrong attitude. And I'm not just talking about hypnotherapy, but the idea of therapy. Mental
I agree.
therapy.
Even if you do not have a problem, seeking therapy is only going to enhance the quality of your life and get more clarity in your mind and the way you think. So,
Yeah, I just feel therapy should be cheaper. They should keep the air condition on. Because I went with my friend for therapy once, and the guy had put the AC off, and I couldn't focus.
But didn't
It
you
was
tell
very
him to
bad.
put on the AC?
I requested. He said no, he's got asthma or something, and he can't keep it on for long. And then I said, you need therapy, and it ended very badly. But you like we said in the beginning, you have to be in a nice cooperative sort of frame of mind, like positive frame of mind. I need to deal with this. I suppose that's the problem. People come with that mountain in their head. I don't have to. I'm not trusting you, and I'm not going to let myself go. Okay, we won't waste more time on that. I know you moved from there. Mentalism. Because I want to get Silvery on now in a minute, and maybe you can look at our minds and all that. So what is the difference then? Because hypnotherapy, you're looking in the mind, you're reading us or whatever. What is mentalism? You're again reading the mind.
No, hypnotherapy, it's not about reading minds. Hypnotherapy is more instructing and training the mind. So that's a therapy. That's not meant for entertainment. And even there are people who do hypnosis show and all of those things. I feel like that's not right, because that's the reason people have started looking down to
Oh.
hypnosis.
Swani, don't say that. I want to see therapy only. Better than seeing the show. If you have a client and your client is saying how he wants to kill his wife, and you're trying to tell him, no, beta, this is not a good idea, and then you get into his mind, and that's the show I want to watch. What's the point of just watching some happy people, well dressed, saying happy things to
Then
each
watch
other?
mentalism. Then watch mentalism.
Okay, so tell us
Mentalism
what
is, so now mentalism is more about, okay, extreme honest answer is that we give an illusion of reading minds. That's mentalism. You don't really read minds, you only give an illusion of reading minds. We do influence thoughts, that's definitely there. Like, I'll ask you to say something. You will think it's your free choice, but it never was. You've been highly influenced to say that. Or, things like that. It's basically all those things, anything that relates to your mind. But using all your techniques and all to influence decisions, read minds, predict futures, know your deepest, darkest secrets, and things like that.
But when you're talking to someone, you're also reading their body language, right? There's like a trained
Absolutely.
observation that's happening.
Absolutely.
And there's a high percentage of behavior that is very predictable because of that. We used to do this candid camera show called Bakra, and after doing it 3, 4, 5 times, you start understanding what the person is going to do. You kind of know when the panic will set in and all that, because you're watching it from a very acute point of view. So you're able to learn that this is how a human being will react very often, and 80% people will react in that way. So similarly, is it that observation that you're picking up all the time? And
That's a very strong part of it.
should we be wearing clothes for that? I was thinking that, to understand body language, the person should be completely naked. And Suhani has left the studio. She is never going to report for duty here again. There's a limit to the ridiculous questioning from this moron, and she's going to make me disappear. Stay for that beautiful moment. Okay, what we'll do, Suhani, is we'll call this young man Silvery in, our producer, also known as Antariksh, because then maybe you can read his mind. Because
Let's
I
do
want to
that.
give you something easy. He's got a small mind. So, Silvery ji, we're taking a break and introducing you while I find my pen, which has fallen.
Hi, Antariksh.
Hi, Suhani. How are you doing?
And I like, why don't you have Antariksha? Oh, okay, yeah, that's the spelling. Oh my god.
Okay.
Okay, sorry.
What did you
No
think?
Hi,
worries.
what's up? How are you? No, I thought that is L and then K and then K ke baad Ayan. I thought he is having a purposely missing the I in the
He's
Oh.
very
but then
lazy. It's possible. Silver, possible, no?
It's
no,
possible. And
that's
also,
how.
I often get the spelling of my name wrong as well. So that's also
That's
possible.
lazy.
Yes, correct. Yeah.
That's reverse arrogance. I like it. It's a
Yes.
great quality.
Yeah. So I
Hi,
have a
Antariksha,
question.
what's up? How are you?
All great. Thank you so much. I have a question. How
Sure.
long does it take you to like perfect a trick before you are comfortable performing in front of others?
It's
Or
never
what's the
perfect.
longest? Oh, it's never
It's
perfect.
never perfect, Antariksh. It's never perfect. It's I think it's like jokes, you know, how the more times you deliver a joke, the better you get in the delivery, and then you understand audience reactions, and it just keeps getting better and better. It's similar because you know the trick is the same. It's never about the trickery, it's about how are you presenting the trick, what is the narrative around it, what's the story around it. Because yes, Cyrus.
I want to say that when I tell a joke, the second time I lost interest in it. So for me, it's only the first time that it works. By the second time, I've lost interest and I change the ending. And it's not funny also, just because I feel bored. So the joke's gone. But there are people who like to do it again and again and again.
Yeah.
Silvery perfects his art like that. So we get what you're saying.
I've heard
Yeah,
that
so
about.
I always feel sorry, Antariksh.
Let her continue. I've
No,
already
please
interrupted
continue.
her. Now,
Sorry,
two of
please continue,
us.
please continue. Yeah.
No, that's a patriarchy, guys. It's okay.
So sorry. Please continue. Just indulge us. Now, you worked at the age of 6, so you know what it's like to be a 6-year-old. So just indulge us. Come on. Come on.
No, so my basic point is that magic is the same thing. You know, the more you perform, the better you get. In fact, your even your act gets better. And after like 3 years, it's changed only. It's then something else only that you're performing, and then it's just that. I mean, the more you perform, the better you get at it. It's never like ये best है बस इसके आगे नहीं हो सकता ऐसा तो हो ही नहीं सकता यार कुछ भी.
Also, probably bits of the act work maybe in one theater with one audience better and in another theater with another audience better. So I think
Yeah.
those are a little subjective. But now
Also,
let's read.
language you change sometimes. You know, you're performing in Gujarat, you'll speak a bit of Gujarati में कर दिया
Yeah.
उसको. So you keep changing it a bit here there, depending
Language
on
and
the audience, the
also
age group.
conservative audience and non-conservative audience. That makes a big difference
Even
to how
the
you
age
talk.
group, younger, older kids.
Yeah, because
So,
some
yeah.
old people can't see your magic. So you have to, and you can't hear you, so you have to shout, "Uncle, dekho, ye hai kabutar." And I'm just imagining. Oh, is that too much? That's
I
really
don't
bad.
know kabutar tricks, but okay.
But that's my favorite. And he couldn't bring
Damn.
the kabutar out of the topi, whatever hat. What do you call that big top hat thing? Anyway,
Top hat,
so
yes.
come on. Let's read Silvery's mind, na?
Let's do
Tell us
something.
how. Yeah. Let's do
Sure.
something.
Yes. Let's do this.
You had a question, but Andrix, do you want to ask something? You had. I
Yeah,
told
I'm
you
going to
had a
ask.
question.
Like, I've heard a lot of magic is it comes down to showmanship, like about how smooth you are with your actions and how.
Always.
Yep, that's the most
So,
important part.
what happens is that magic is there are only a certain number of things you can do. You can appear, you can disappear, you can teleport, you can levitate. Like there are only few things you can do, like 5 or 6. Even when you're doing mentalism, you can read minds, predict, influence. Yeah, I mean these are 4 things you can do. Now the entire thing is about how you do these 4 effects in 1,000 other ways and make it different every time you perform it. So it is absolutely about the storytelling, it's absolutely the narration, the performance, the showmanship, totally about it. Tricks are very limited. And every magician can do that trick. So what makes you different is your presentation, it's your personality. Yeah.
Very well.
But can you like raise the Sensex index or get the petrol price down? I mean, those kind of
I
things.
wish.
Socially
so
justified behavior.
I so
Clear the
wish
traffic for
I
me when I'm
could.
going to suburbs. I mean, let's go. Suhani, please, just can you clear Andheri Khar area? Thank you. And check, it's done. Just for 10 minutes, then you can bring it back again. I mean, I want that. That would really make me happy. Is that possible?
I wish I could do that. I mean, if I could, I would have already done it, no, Cyrus?
One day you'll do it.
One day.
Go back yourself,
One day.
Suhani. You started at
One
6.
day.
You've got lots to go. So what are we doing?
Okay. I'm gonna try something. Who am I performing with? Cyrus or Antariksh?
Silvery.
Okay, you know
He's
what?
okay.
I can try with both of you. I'm gonna
Okay, cool.
try this.
Okay.
Trying with both is a bit difficult, but I'm gonna still try. Cyrus is already laughing. He's like, "Acha, dekhte hain."
Yeah.
No,
Okay.
I'm not a cynic. I'm very happy. I'll play along. Go ahead.
Okay. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do this with my phone, and This I don't remember if I've performed this online, but just very quickly confirming. Can you see the phone? I'm going to reduce the brightness.
Yes,
I
I
can
can.
see the phone.
Put my phone on flight mode. Yeah.
Okay. Yep. Yep.
So that this is more like a dabba now. It's not connected with anything. No AirDrop, no Bluetooth. It's like nothing connected because that's what people think a lot. Okay.
Okay. Sure.
Now, before I even begin this, I need to ask you guys a few questions. Cyrus,
Hanji,
you drink tea or coffee?
I hate both, but I
I
take
like how
coffee.
Cyrus has just gone back and he's like, "Acha, ab mere ko perform nahi
Acha,
karna
yeah.
now. She is gonna
Yeah.
perform. I'm going to be the audience now."
I'm resting my back because this chair is too big. I need to put a pillow here. Can you make a pillow appear behind
No,
me?
Cyrus, you're focusing on my act now. So,
Okay. So
Cyrus,
what was the question?
no tea, no coffee, is what
No,
you're
but I
saying.
take caffeine in the morning before I work out in NO2. So I have caffeine, 300 mg, but I don't like it. I mean, I just drink
But
it
you don't
to
like it.
wake
And
up.
if you go to
Yeah.
some place, if people offer tea, coffee, you don't prefer any.
I say you because normally they say tea, coffee or me, so I always take the me. अरे अंग्रेजी लोग ऐसा कहता है यार. You don't understand culture. They do it all the time. And okay. Sometimes I say no to it. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
What would you like me to say? Can you make
Nothing.
it?
Okay, that's fine. I got your answer.
Tang,
He said none. That's
tang,
fine. I got
tang.
your answer.
I like all the rangeen drinks, colorful drinks,
Rangeen.
soft
Okay,
drinks.
I get it. Got it.
Oh.
Why did I decided to do it with both of you? I don't know.
Then
Okay. Anthony, here's what I want you to do. I want you to choose between colors.
Mhm.
So if I ask you to choose between red and black, which one would you choose?
Like between the two of them.
Yes, red and black.
what is not such a
I
tough
will
question,
take
yaar.
Red.
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 Okay. So red or white?
Red.
And between red and blue?
I'll stick with red.
And what about red and yellow?
Okay, I'll go with yellow. Just change
Go
it
with
up.
yellow. Okay. So I have the notes section in my phone. This is like usually my go-to trick. And I'm gonna choose a list of celebrities for you guys. And I'm gonna choose this one. No, this one.
The celebrity's name is this one.
No, I'm not gonna tell you which one.
The rapper. The rappers have names like that. Will I Am.
No,
this
yeah.
one. That one. Uska. Iska. The Indian version.
Kuch bhi.
Um,
So here's what I am going
Silver
to
is
do.
upset about his color choice. He wants to go back to
no,
red.
I'm just confused. Are you on the internet with your airplane mode? No, okay.
No, I'm not on Internet. I'm going on my notes section.
Oh, okay. My bad.
Hey,
Phone में जो notes section
तू
होता है ना,
internet police कभी से बन गया यार. Just let
No,
her do her
I'm
act.
just checking. I'm just
yeah, point is I don't have anything to even write over here. What do I write on? Now I'm gonna just make sure that this doesn't go out of the frame. What do I write on? Though I don't even have a paper.
Write on your hand. Whenever
I got
I used to do
something.
exams, I wrote on my hand. That's why I had very small answers. You know, they would like explain the theory of relativity. I would write like, well, it's about, and then I ran out of space. So
Oof, yaar,
that would be my
ruk.
answer.
No, not to you. Sorry, I'm writing this paper.
Oh, I'm just chatting with Silvery, giving you time. This is my real role.
Okay.
Even
You know,
in anchoring
just
events.
for one, I'm just gonna do something right now. I need to put on my internet for some reason, and I'll tell you the reason in a while. I wish I was more prepared for this, but still.
no problem.
In the meantime, if you want, I'll play some music on my phone so that people watching the live show know that things are happening while we do this.
Don't worry, they're not getting bored.
Yeah, they're not getting bored. They're waiting in anticipation.
Oh wait,
Yeah.
we can sell my wife's
Yeah.
painting, which is right behind me. Here it is. It's a painting
Oh,
of
wow.
two fat ladies, and yeah.
Oh, I thought one was you. Sorry.
Well, yes, it's called audience participation situational comedy. See, two of your strong points. There it is. It's for
Okay,
40,000.
my phone is back on flight mode. I'll tell you why
Okay.
did I put it off. I'll just tell you in a while.
Sure.
And
So you can't cheat. We understand that. That
no,
you
no.
cannot
Why did
use
I
the
put
net.
it on in a while? I'll tell you why.
Okay.
Now here's what we are going to do. Okay. I've also written something on this piece of paper. I
Okay.
don't know where to keep it because I can't keep. Okay, I'll just
I'll
keep it
write
like
on the
this.
mask.
Oof, no, you don't have to write anything. Now, here's what I have to do. You know, in my note, if you were here, I would have given my phone in your hand. But right now, I'm just going to keep it like this. But I'm not doing any fidgety stuff. There's no sensor behind. It's just keeping it like this. Now, I want you to give me on. I told you I'm going to. In my notes section, there are a lot of lists. Okay. With you guys, I'm going to use a list of celebrities. Okay. I haven't written anything. I've just like checked which celebrity I want to choose. So what I want you guys to do right now is give me a number between 1 and maybe 90 or 100. That's also okay. So if it's a 1-digit number, you guys have to make a number. So one person, Cyrus, you'll give me a number and Antriksh will give
I'm
me a
done.
number. If you
I'm
if you
ready.
give me a 0, Antriksh will give me, so it will become a single digit number, 2-digit
Okay.
number. It's your wish. Okay. If you want to come on a consensus of a 2-digit number, you both can discuss and give it to me. Give me that as well.
Okay.
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 Cyrus, choose the first digit.
So let's
9.
choose the first digit. 9. You sure with 9?
Yep.
Okay. Antriksh, before you give me a number, let me just tell you that when I ask people to give me a number between 1 and 10, right now what you're going to do is give me a number between 1 and 10, correct? The most
Yeah.
common number that they give me is 7. Like mostly the people give me number 7 because they feel it's like it's a go-to number. You
Okay.
can still give me 7. I'm just saying that that's the most common number.
Okay. I'll take 4.
Okay. Now you go to 7 and then you go to 3 and then you go to 9 and then you go to 5 and then you go, oh no, 4 is the most uncommon number and that's why you go to 4. So that's how people think. And that's why a
Mhm.
lot of people, after I say this, always say 4. Do you want to stick to 4
Really?
or change your mind?
Man, now I'm so confused. Okay, I'll go with 3.
That's
go
the
with
next number in descending order, yaar.
Yeah. I mean,
This is the
let's change it
Silvery
off.
not
Let's change
spelling
it
the
off.
name properly.
Okay. Do you want to go with 3?
Yes, I'll go with 3.
So Cyrus, you've given me 9 and Antriksh has given me 3. So that becomes
93.
93. But here is a twist. Cyrus, I can give you an option.
Hmm.
Do you want to keep it 93 or you want to make it 39?
Oh.
What do you say, Silvery?
I mean, usually as respect, you can always make him go first, but then that's your choice.
Okay, 39. Chalo.
Okay. And this is all your free choice, correct?
Yeah,
Well,
absolutely.
Suggested, but free, yes.
No, you can change your mind right now. I don't want to make
No,
any.
I'll take 39. I'll take 39. It's not a problem.
Okay. And Antriksh, final. That is 39. Do you want to change the number at any point?
No,
This is your
that's good.
last
39.
moment. The only
Yes.
reason I'm asking you to change your mind is one, to tell people reverse psychology, that the more I ask you to change, the more firm you become with the number. And the second is every time I do this act, later on people regret. Yeah, I wish I would have changed the number. I don't want you to regret. I want you to, I'm a kind person. I don't want you to feel bad. So if you want to change your
This is
number, this is the last number. This is
confusing
the
us
last.
more.
This is the
Yeah,
last
so
chance.
good.
Nee,
I'm
29.
already double. I'm like doubting myself. My selection of number, I'm doubting now. But wow, yes, 39. 39.
You want to change it?
No, I don't. I think I go to 39.
But
You
now
go
because
the
she
happy way.
said that most people don't
Yeah.
go back to the old
Oh,
number,
man.
we have to be different, and but then she's reversed double psychology us. So then now we want to go back to the old number because because now we have gone that way because she suggested that we go differently. I'm
Yeah.
just saying we'll stick with 39. It's too much
Yes,
layered
39,
thinking
yeah.
for me.
Yeah.
39.
Are we clear with 39? You guys are firm on it?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
I'm
But
going to
you're
open my
laughing at
phone
us.
right now. No, I'm not.
Okay.
I'm not laughing. Okay, I'm just going to open the phone. Okay. Now, I don't know if you can see my notes section.
Yeah.
Yes. Sure.
I'm going to click
Yeah.
the notes section.
Yeah.
I told you I'll take the list of celebrities. Do you see? The fourth one is the list
Top
of celebrities.
100 greatest movies
Correct.
or something.
Correct.
But I told you I'll take
Fourth one is
celebrity.
celebrities. Yeah,
Yeah,
fourth
fourth
one is
one, okay.
celebrities.
Correct? That's last
Yeah.
updated yesterday. I click here. Now, if you see, I don't know if you guys can see, but each number has a different celebrity name written on it.
Michael Jackson,
okay.
something. Yeah, I can see.
think I'm
Yeah.
gonna
One
go
is
on
Michael
hand.
Jackson, 2 is Tom Hanks, 3 is Kim Kardashian, all of those.
Okay.
Correct. I'm going to
Yeah.
first go to 93 because that's what you guys did not select. Okay.
Okay.
So 93 was J.K. Rowling. I don't know if you guys can see.
Oh, Harry Potter.
Okay, wow.
Oh,
Okay.
we
Yeah,
should have stuck
correct,
with
correct.
that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Correct. But that's
Yeah.
not what you chose. What you chose was 39.
39. Yeah.
Let's go to
Because you
39.
hypnotized us.
No, I did
You
not,
hypnotized
guys.
us. 39 पे कौन है? Please say it's KRK.
No, it's
Kamal R
not.
Khan. Please, I want him. I want him.
Did you guys say 39 or 38?
You said
39.
39. From
Sorry.
93, you reversed it, and then you
Did I like
suggested
mess
it.
it up?
And then
I
you
don't know.
suggested that we shouldn't follow you, so we followed you. You messed up our minds. We'll never be
No,
the
I
same
did not.
again.
I did not. Wait. Let's see what is on 39. I don't know if you guys can see it.
Oprah
Oprah.
Winfrey.
Oprah. Yeah.
What is it?
Oprah
Oprah
Winfrey.
Winfrey.
His
Oprah
favorite.
Winfrey.
Silvery has her posters at home and all that in a
Yeah, I'm just
swimming
waiting
costume.
for that car. I'm waiting for my
Yeah.
car.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, I told you
You
I've
love her.
written something on this piece of paper.
Okay.
हाँ. क्या है? Oprah.
Okay. Wow.
Well, that's scary.
But there is a high possibility that you might think that this is written by somebody else later, like a midget over here. Correct? Correct. I get it. I get it.
Yeah.
So remember, I told you I'm
Well,
going to remove
not really,
my.
because we said Oprah Winfrey. 3 seconds later, you produced the paper, so and it's written in
But
proper.
still, I
it
know
wouldn't
how
have
people
happened.
think. I know how people think, right?
It couldn't have happened in
So-
those 3 seconds. Huh.
Yet, what I'm going to do is remember I told you in the start that I'm going to put off my flight mode for some reason.
Mhm.
At that time, I went on my Instagram and I uploaded a story with your pictures on it, which means it's not clicked earlier at any point. Can you please go and check my Instagram?
Yes. What?
I'm going to open it here for you guys as well. It's the Suhani Shah.
Yeah, yeah.
Just Vanisha.
Yeah,
Okay. And should I check your story?
you can check my story.
Can you put it on the screen?
I am doing that as well.
But put it on the screen. I can't open. And what is the time of that upload?
Check.
8 minutes ago.
Everything is there. Check. The
Eight-
time is
eight-
there.
What is the time?
Even the
8
live
minutes
ka
ago.
time is there. Even
8
the
minutes
live,
ago.
Yeah.
It's 8 minutes
And,
ago.
I made
Yeah, yeah,
sure
yeah.
that
Okay.
our live
Now-
का जो
now
time है
you
ना ऊपर जो live लिखा है उसका time भी uploaded है.
Okay. Okay, now Swani, you've scared me. you've upset my young son Silvery. 8 minutes ago ka matlab is before you even asked us the question ki
Yeah.
39
Yeah.
celebrity kaun tha. So that's
Yeah.
not making any sense whatsoever.
I mean, I have some theories.
Okay, what's
but
your
You can
theory?
have-
not-
No,
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 you-
I know she's not allowed to. She's not. Swan is not allowed to tell us. No, the trick.
Of course, I'm not allowed to. Not it's not
Yeah,
allowed.
yeah.
I don't want to.
Yeah,
tell
you don't want to. Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
But
But-
are we allowed to guess how you did the trick? Maybe.
Do you want to guess? Like I'm
I
telling
mean-
you, if you would have gone to 38, that was Abraham Lincoln.
Abraham
And if you
Lincoln,
would have gone at like 40, that was Nelson Mandela.
Yeah, but whatever it is, you did
Okay,
it 8
wow.
minutes before you asked us the question. That's a little, I
yeah,
mean,
that
that's
is
ridiculous.
that is damn cool.
Because for us
That's
to
what's throwing me
understand ki you it happened really quickly, it should at least be post the time, even with it, like in the same
Oh.
minute, because of some great ability to do that, like you said, writing that piece of paper thing ka naam ka thing. But this is scary because 8 minutes before, it just doesn't make any sense. And we were still arguing at that point ki shall we stick
Yeah.
with 39, 93, 64. You were going on saying that also. So, and there's a good chance I was actually at that point I was willing to change it. Sylvia, I even asked you.
Yeah,
And you
correct,
sort of
correct.
said no.
No, no,
Remember?
no.
Because I was trying to
This
catch
is very
her.
young.
I was trying to figure out what she was thinking. And
Oh,
like
man.
she's auto suggesting to us ki 93 said 39. ठीक है, हो गया. Then 39 to she's auto suggesting both ways. You're calling a bluff. So, but then I wanted you to do it because so that I could blame you later.
Hmm. Wow.
Okay, great stuff.
Damn
Listen,
impressive. Thank you so much.
please don't tell us how you did it, but it's great.
Yeah.
I'm sure.
I
Even-
really want to hear Antariksh because I'm sure he has something in his mind.
I do. Okay. So what I
You
think
can, it's
is
okay.
that
It's okay.
okay. I
You
think
will say
I
something
you
guess
have.
to
swear.
understand that magic is a trick, right? And of course, performing mentalism digitally is a massive task, and it's that's absolutely different. So I really would like to. I love to hear theories about magic. Like,
Okay,
what do people think?
So I don't know because I don't have an iPhone. But no, was an iPhone, right? What do you have?
Yeah, but I
Okay.
can
I knew you'd
use
go
an
with a
iPhone,
check.
Okay.
but
okay.
it can go
So
with any
does the
phone.
Notes app have possible collaborators? Like, can you collaborate on the Notes app with someone else?
You can,
That's the only thing. That's the only thing I'm thinking.
but that's
is you
the
have
idea that I
a
had put
helper.
my phone
Oh,
on
yeah,
flight
correct, you're
mode.
on- Yeah, you're
That's
right.
the
Oh man, I'm
exact
stumped.
idea
Yeah,
that I had
I'm
put
stumped.
my phone on flight mode when I
Yeah,
was
you're right. You're right.
doing it.
So I'm stumped.
Also,
Yeah, I
a
can't.
lot of
So
people have like a lot of theories, which I like to show it again. Where is the So a lot of people think that I have like a lot of celebrities ka list. I'm just going to make it clear. I have only one list that says celebrities.
Hmm.
Like
Yeah.
the first is commonly selected cards, greatest movies, comedians, celebrities, groceries.
no, like
Correct.
that. So
Yeah.
the percentile question here is 1 out of 100 to get it
Yeah.
right. I
Yeah.
mean, that's ridiculous. I mean, then you're
Yeah.
the
Yeah.
greatest
Absolutely.
better in the history of betting. I mean, honestly, we don't have
Yeah.
to work. You tell us who'll win Euro Cup or whatever's on. We'll just make enough money. Folks, stay with this show. We will make you rich. Yeah. Listen, we need to do
Yeah.
the AMAs. That was really good.
Yes.
But because we have a time issue, we'll get into the AMAs quickly. But I
Okay.
know you're
Yes.
not allowed to tell us how it happened or whatever. But I'm sure at the end of every show, Suhani, the same question is asked. People come backstage and ask you, kaisa kiya? Or they
How?
tell you,
How?
ye
Yeah, yeah,
kaisa
yeah.
hua? Right?
Yeah.
Like
Because
it's more digitally, everybody will go like, oh, ऐसा कर दिया, हमको पता है ये, हमको पता है वो, and all of that. But it's the fun. Like that's the
Yeah.
entire fun of magic, right? That you want. Okay, the best thing about magic is that when you leave, people keep thinking about it, and I think
Correct.
that's the victory.
No, it's the same thing about any performance, a great dance performance, a comedy show, or a play, movie. When people talk about it when they exit, even if they didn't like it, but they're talking about it, it's hit home. It's like when it
Yeah.
just disappears from your mind, then it's been a waste of time. Oh
Correct.
God, but I'm a little spooked by your performance, and I'm scared. Now I have to be careful because you might know my innermost secrets. They're all vulgar, dirty, mean, and should be, in most societies, I'd be
I
jailed.
don't want to know.
Okay, we won't go there. AMAs, Silvery Bhai.
Yes. Sure. First, just a reminder to dear listeners, please do like the stream. It helps with the algorithm.
Yes.
It will help in making this video reach more people.
Correct.
All right. Let's get to
But
the
only
AMAs.
you don't understand, you moron. Only she's going to get work out of this. They'll all be contacting her. हम लोग तो बकरा है बीच में. We were just the volunteers. Do you
That's
understand?
not a bad thing. That's not a bad thing. We're
It's a
helping
horrible thing.
fellow
Yeah,
artists
that's
out,
true.
man. That's nice. All right. The first one comes in from CD. He says, Q for Suhani. What do you do when your magic fails live, or how do you deal with it? Like, how do you deal with a trick not working out properly?
So in terms of live stage shows, I think it happened. It used to happen earlier quite a few times because mentalism is a place where things can go wrong. But I think over the time now it's more of like you've built that confidence. You've understood how to deal with your audience, so you laugh it off, you make a joke out of it. Eventually, you always say everybody knows magic is not real, so you have your one-liners and things ready when things go wrong. I think again, people are kind if you're kind to them. And even if things go wrong in a live show, you're talking to them, you're right in front of them, it's fine. You just move on to the next act and they're okay with it, and till they're enjoying the entire bit. In terms of online, which has started last year, it's been it's been a bit crazy considering that it's so anonymous. We're not seeing their faces and they have so much of liberty that sometimes it gets a little toxic. It has happened quite a few times, and you come to a point where you're like, it's okay, I'm a magician. There are some jokes that don't work for a comedian. There are some dance steps where they forget dances, but in
Yeah,
magic
but the jokes and the dance steps, you just carry on, because the next one will make it up for you. Yours is a proper setup. 5-10 minute खींचने के बाद, whatever. I'm just imagining you can't just go to the next one. It's like a
I mean, you
moment.
can, like, things don't work out, I'll move on to the next one, or maybe I'll do
Yeah.
something else to impress them, or I will definitely do something to make it work.
I
But
have
what
a trick
happens is,
which I can share with you if you don't mind. And that is, I always don't wear underpants because I believe that if worst case scenario, I can just, distract people for a few seconds and then their mind goes to something else and then we come back to the joke. I'm not saying you do that, but you can have a volunteer on stage like Silvery doing that. So you can just have him perform for 2 minutes and then you go
very
back.
insightful, like literally.
It's just like
I would have
coloring the
paid for
vision.
that advice, trust me.
Don't have to. Just give us 39% of all your earnings this going forward from here, because that was the number, right, Mr. Oprah Winfrey? Oh, Mr. Oprah Winfrey ji.
Yeah.
Of all the bloody celebrities, I had to get Oprah Winfrey. I can't stand her.
I could have got you to any number to first, So first, that's why I was taking time to choose. I was first going to go with Ellen, then Barack Obama. Then I thought, let's go with Oprah because we share the same birth date.
Oh,
Oh, really? Wow.
Yeah.
That's good. Nice.
So yeah, I mean, online it becomes a bit toxic and it stays longer. What happens is in a live show, it's over then, and you can just move on to your next show in the next day or next 2 days. Online, it's gonna stay there forever. People are gonna watch it forever, and they'll now the more you mess up, the more they're gonna watch it, and the more they're gonna share it and make out a clip of it.
Yeah.
And like it's when you do something nice, it's so much less spread, and then when something goes wrong, it's so much more. So
I love
dealing it
human
on.
nature. It's beautiful. Really, you're right. एक गलती of the 200 successful gags, and that's the only thing they
Like,
remember.
I just
That's-
feel good कि उस वीडियो को ज्यादा engagement मिल जाती है, but
in a way, you
a lot
don't
of
lose.
time.
You win. You win
Yeah.
either way.
Yeah.
The-
But that's the thing. But I think now I have learned it. Like पहले थोड़ा difficult होता था. Like I've never been a digital artist till the pandemic started. Now it's gotten like कि अब it's okay. You know, थोड़ा मोटी चमड़ी हो गया, थोड़ा thick skin हो गया कि people are gonna say things. You just have to be the person you are and continue doing what you do and have faith that you still know what you do. Like I know what I do. I know I'm a magician. I know I'm gonna go out and perform. And just
If
let's
someone's
not.
trolling, you should just say
use-
Wi-Fi dropped. Bus finished. Wi-Fi is gone. Sorry. Bus ho gaya. Siri, let's squeeze in a couple more questions.
Yes.
Oh guys, Wi-Fi dropped.
Oh,
Okay.
Siri, take off your pants. I'll give you both the options.
Go on,
Alright.
go on.
Next AMA question comes in from Akshay Swami. He says,
Okay.
do you plan on fooling Penn and Teller on the show? Like, are you a fan of the Penn and Teller show? And would you ever be interested in
I
going on that
love
show?
this show
Yeah.
and definitely a big fan. And yeah, I would love to go there and try to fool them. Not that I'm trying to do that, like I'm not applying or I'm not putting an email or anything like that. I'm sure ऐसे कोई सपने में तो अपने आप नहीं आ जाएगा उधर का. But if for whatever reason, if I get a chance to go there, I would love to. Why not? I mean, there's no reason to not go there and perform. And they are amazing. They're legends, so it's amazing.
So who
to
are
just
your,
interact
taking
with
from
them.
that question, who are your other 2-3 favorite, people you look up to in the magic world? Who we may not.
There is Darren Brown. And as far as mentalism is concerned, Darren Brown is like a mentalist god for us. I mean, I totally adore, admire, and get inspired through him.
Your magic
As-
colleague also mentioned him the last
Oh,
time.
Karan,
we had
even Karan. Karan and I both are Darren Brown fans. We get highly inspired by him as far as mentalism is concerned. And as far as storytelling is concerned and a presentation and showmanship is concerned, I think I'm a big fan of David Copperfield. So, both.
Okay, wow.
Yeah, he's quite
a great
sexy,
showman.
David Copperfield. I have a certain crush. But coming back to Karan and you, who's better? That's a good question.
I think you should ask people about it. I think it can't be compared, yeah, because we both
Yeah,
have
no
such different styles.
यार उसका सब appliance की gags है यार. Different guy together.
No. He told us like his
I think-
washing machine story and all. That's what Silas is
Yeah.
talking about.
Sorry. It one that we had 15 minutes montage of those stories. One
Yeah,
went
yeah.
to from there, he went
It
to
was
Uber. In the same genre, he had 3 stories. They all involved
Okay.
some machine.
There is that
He'll
kind
let
of a
go.
question for Suhani as well.
Wow.
Someone has asked, Rohan Patil has asked, Suhani, can you please share with us your famous Suhani dating a famous cricketer story?
I'm awake.
Yeah, Cyrus
bolo, bolo.
loves cricket, so this is huge for Cyrus.
Bolo, bolo, bolo. How do I miss out on the gossip, man? Who is the cricketer? Please tell us.
I should have briefed in advance to have avoided cricket.
अभी मैं लिखता हूँ. अभी मैं लिखता हूँ 100 names of cricketers. मैं लिखता हूँ. I'm going to do this bloody gag. Yeah.
100 names of cricketers.
Virat Kohli. I'm starting. I'm already down. Yeah. Steven Smith. I'm going all international also. Everybody.
So,
Bolo,
Antariksh,
bolo.
that's just a rumor. There is no cricketer story.
Please.
Hey, no, I don't. Really?
You're smiling. You're blushing. For some reason, Silvery, you're also blushing.
Yeah,
What's
what
going
are
on?
you? Chat, yeah, you just would have to start this everywhere. Okay, don't read the chat now.
Okay.
So basically, I've dated only one guy all my life, and he's a cricketer. So that's it. That's the story.
Who?
That's the story.
Can't be
I-
right.
yeah.
Okay, right hand batsman, right arm, left arm orthodox, leg spinner, all rounder, wicket keeper, second wicket keeper, reinvented as batsman. Give me something. Which
I
Give us
broke
team?
IPL team.
Which IPL
Give us
team?
IPL team?
Which country?
I'm not gonna say the IPL team, but IPL guys, it's a long gone story. Okay, it's
Okay,
I
okay.
broke up like
So what? I just want to
10
know.
years ago. It's a
10
childhood love
years
story.
ago?
Childhood love story.
There's
Yeah.
an old cricketer.
From the
Ravi
age of
Shastri.
14. Why would I date an old man?
But he's an old cricketer, no? No, who's it? 14 to 24.
14 to
boy.
21.
So he'll be in his around the same age.
Cyrus, you know what? Chat has tried to decode this way too much. I think we should just move on if there's a next
Yeah,
question.
it's not gonna.
Mumbai Indians?
Next question, Antariksh, please.
Okay, yes. Next one comes in
Hardik
from.
Pandya.
You know what? Go on, go on. Antariksh, just go
Sid,
on.
yes, yes. Okay,
Smiling. She's smiling.
cool. Okay. Sid DA.
I'm writing a number here.
Next one comes in from Sid DA. He says, Suhani, quick question. Are you able to understand the tricks when you see the magic tricks of international performers and other magicians?
Can you read the trick?
Yes.
Can you read the trick?
I think
can.
most of the magicians can. All of
Like
them can.
immediately,
Because
even if it's a new trick.
yeah, because I told you, the tricks are very limited. It's about how you're going to perform those limited number of tricks and what mix match you're going to do with the tricks that are there. So I think it's more about how we go more. So I don't think a magician will appreciate the other magician saying like, oh, what a trick. It'll always be, oh, what a presentation. Oh, what a storytelling. Oh, how he performed this trick like this. So it's more about how the same trick that every other magician would be performing is taken to the next level by the performance. So yeah.
Can you help me
I'm
with my
sorry
problems
if-
with hypnotherapy?
I love to.
Okay, one problem I hate going to work. Like I enjoy myself at work, but I hate the idea of going to work. From school days, I hated going to school. Didn't really hate school.
I think
hated it
this is
sometimes.
something that Elon Musk needs to solve. Some like
Transport,
toning
you
in
mean?
transport.
Yeah, it's this
Because
whole
you
idea
like
of-
it when you are there. You're just lazy.
I'm
to get up and
lazy.
go.
The journey always, people say the journey is everything. For me, the journey sucks. I hate the journey. I can't tell you here. And second thing is, I have this pain in my shoulder. 8 weeks. I have a benching injury. It's not healing properly, and I'm aging now and getting worried. Will it heal? Again, I tried after 6 weeks. I managed, and again the pain was very.
I think I think I have a cure to that. I think you need to meditate a little bit more and talk a bit less.
I can't. I tried meditation. I got ADD. I can't sit still. I tried yoga. They threw me out because I was
And-
talking.
and-
I was fired
and
by the
talk-
yogi. The yogi screamed at me after 3 times. He said, "Please get out. आपका कोई interest नहीं है इसमें, तो please get out." I said, "Not that. I just not used to sitting still. They have to
That
be
was
little
not a
flexible
good
with
yogi
people."
to do that.
He's a very loved guy. Everybody else loves him. They
Baba
all told me,
Ramdev?
"Don't come back." No, Baba Ramdev is, I think, has more sense of humor. He would have been okay with me. This guy was a little more kudus at the end of the day. Yeah. Anyway,
Okay.
it's done.
Okay, Antariksh, do we have a next question?
Oh, no.
Yes,
The
we have-
cricketer's name. The people are calling me on my phone. What is the cricketer's name? Now, don't make me search and research and all. Yeah, I hate doing that. Like some
You
old
won't get
auntie.
it anywhere. It was a very private thing. Yeah, it's nowhere. You won't get it.
Is he playing for India?
I don't know. Okay, Antariksh,
Is he in the?
next.
He's in the team going to Sri Lanka white ball cricket against Sri
Go
Lanka?
on, Antariksh.
Okay.
Is he recovering from
It's,
injury?
it's just you and me on the stream now.
Okay, just tell me which state he plays for initially. Then give me that much and I'll find out. I don't need
Go
any
on,
more clues.
Antariksh. I'm waiting for the
Not
question. It's
IPL
just
team.
you and me.
State dikhao. If he plays for Jharkhand, tell me he plays for Jharkhand. I will give you the name. I will write it down right here on my
Oh
paper.
my god.
So, which state is he from?
Uh,
Nothing.
The next question.
Next question.
Okay.
Okay. Next question comes in from Cold Eyed. He
Yeah.
says, Suhani Di, what do you think about Lior Suchard? Best mentalist, I think so. Have you heard of Lior Suchard?
Very
Yeah.
badly paid.
Leo Shushar is
I
I
guess the
haven't-
production team told me because we were doing something, we had to play the anchor or whatever, and that he was very badly demanding and all
okay.
that.
So I haven't
But on
met him
stage he was great.
personally.
Yeah.
But Cyrus answered that personally. But for me, I think he is a great mentalist. I like his storytelling. I like his presentation style. He's a great marketeer as well. As far because magicians have to be great marketeers as well. All artists have to be. I like that about him. He has sold his art really well. He's been able to market himself very well. Yeah, he's amazing. He's very nice as a performer. Great.
What about Akshay Lakshman?
Lakshman was a great friend. Though. He's very good.
Yeah. I've done a couple of
Yeah.
shows with him also.
Oh,
He's
lovely.
great.
Wow.
Yeah.
I spoke to him just yesterday. He's a very good friend. Very nice human being as well.
So he'll know which the cricketer's name is and all that. No,
I don't think so.
I have his number. I can give him a call.
Please
He doesn't
go
know.
ahead.
He'll
Yeah.
read your mind. I will not rest.
Arey,
I
you
will
know
not
what has
sleep.
happened?
I
Yeah,
will not
I tell
eat.
you, nobody in the world knows it. It's just that once I was on a live stream with a friend and it was very unfiltered and we were talking about like love and relationships and stuff like that. Now, this was like at like 1:32 and like midnight and I was like, okay, let's just talk. And I went in the flow and I just kept talking and I didn't realize I'm on a live stream. I just thought I'm talking to a friend on Zoom. And then I just said things. I gave almost all the information other than the name. And then later on, I realized, Damn,
Give
what
me
did
that
I
information.
do?
I won't even say the name on air. I'll just know then. Because I'm a mentalist with cricket. I'll be able to read. Ask Sylvia, I'm
You
pretty
can
good at
ask
this.
your chat; they'll tell you the name, the link and all. I'm
Now
not
you
going to
give
give
me
you.
that keda which is not
Jadeja.
going from
A
my
lot of people
head.
are saying Jadeja.
Ravindra Jadeja.
Arey,
Yeah.
Oh, Ahmedabad connection. No,
it's
but he's
not.
Rajkot.
It's not
Ahmedabad.
Jadeja. Guys, next
Hardik is
question.
Baroda. So if it's a Gujarat connection, I can narrow this down. Huh? But
That's
Ahmedabad
my time,
actually,
ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for having me. It was a lot of fun. We're
we
talking
actually
with
have to stop.
Cyrus
Don't
and
joke.
Antariksha.
So, Ani, let's say bye properly. We have to stop. It's way past our
Yes.
time. But it's
Yep.
so much fun talking to you. I'm sorry.
Okay,
I
just not
apologize.
end at
Oh,
this. If there's any one last question, you can ask me.
okay, one last
Okay,
question. So
sure,
we end on
sure.
something else.
Yeah, the
Yeah.
last one comes in from Pranjal Kumar. He says, Suhani, have you ever got a person who is so irritating, like trying to decode a trick on stage? Or have you ever had a heckler, like a bad heckler situation while performing live?
Yeah. Lot of times. I remember once it was a corporate. There's been a lot of times. I can share one quick incident. Is um, this was like a corporate show, and usually I always make sure that the bar opens, the dinner and the bar opens after my performance because people have to be sober when I'm doing mentalism with them. So that's priority. That's very very important. So I don't know what happened, but I was performing this show and they opened the bar earlier. So the guy who walked up on stage was a little tipsy or whatever, was not sober basically. And this was like a show ending, and it's like 4 envelopes, and the person who chooses it right gets a blank sign checked by me, and it's like a very hyped up act. But they are never able to get that envelope, even though they have all the free choices and they're influenced, and it's like a very brilliant act. And then in the end, the company name comes out. All of those things were on the way, and suddenly this guy got to an envelope which had the blank check, which is fine because that people get it. But then I influenced them to change it, like how I influenced you to change 93 to 39. So I know how to get them to what I want, making them believe it was their choice. But this guy was like, nope, not listening to anything. I'll keep this envelope only. And I was like, I know there's an envelope in it. There's a check in it. I came to a point where I told the boss. I think people understood that this is going wrong because it took like 5-10 minutes to do that. I told their boss, do you think he should change it? What do you think? He also said change it. He's like, no, I'm not going to listen to him. I'm not going to change it. And it became like such a chaos. He's not
Oh,
listening.
wow.
I went and, whispered him on stage, be a sport. The act will get ruined. It's the climax of the show. He still didn't do it.
Oh,
Did
wow.
not. He was just adamant. And I was like, okay, then fine. Let's just mess. Like people, what? And then in the end, it didn't happen. And then I had to change it, and things happened, and somehow managed that bit, and then performed another act just to have a good ending. What people usually forget is that if a magic act goes wrong, like in a corporate show, especially, they don't realize that I'm already paid for it. It's their entertainment that they are losing out on.
No, I think the moral of the story. The moral of the story is that if you're a jerk, you can be a jerk in any situation.
Yeah.
There's nothing you can do about it. And this
Yeah.
person just wants to misbehave, he's going to misbehave. I would blame the audience because it's a corporate show and the hierarchy that's there. They should have just caught him. And it's happened with us when we've had really drunk people misbehaving in a corporate show. Their own guys finally say both okay or whatever because they feel embarrassed that the name of the company and all is being spoiled by one moron.
No,
or
that
two
happened with
morons.
this one. This one was a very weird situation. It used to happen a lot of times, like very, very earlier. So I also used to have a lot of language issues because I don't know if you guys know, I haven't been to school. So I went to school only till standard 1. So I used to have a lot of language issues, like abhi kis bhasha mein bolna hai, kaise bolna hai, kya karna hai. So there were a lot of issues that came on the way. But I'm just glad that all of them came so that now I'm at a point where I'm like, chalo, theek hai, ab sab kuch manage kar sakte hain. So yeah, all's well now.
Okay, before we say bye, 1 second. Inspector Godbole, वो नाम है तेरे पास कांटेक्ट? अच्छा बाद में बात ऑफलाइन बात करते हैं. Please not now. Yes, सामने है. Nothing. Just a personal call. Yeah, I had to take it. Yeah, he's a big shot. Yeah, head of the Raw, RAW, and all that. I don't want to show off. Listen, this has been really great, Suhani. Thank you so much. I hope you come back and next time just perform more tricks if you're feeling like it. I'm sure that's what people who watch the program want to see.
Love to. Very honestly, I did not. The stuff I need, I just took it to another house, so it wasn't here. Otherwise, I would have performed a lot more for you guys. I would love to perform next time I'm here. So thank you for having me, Cyrus.
So nice.
You all have so much. They have houses and all, boss. In comedy, though, I live with my parents at age 60. It's ridiculous. Unbelievable. She's got 2 houses, one just for stuff.
No,
बाद में नाम पूछेगा.
no, I don't have 2 houses.
Okay. All right, let's leave on a
Thank you
happy
so
note.
much, guys.
Sorry.
Thank you, Cyrus.
you.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Anjali.
Swali.
Thank
Lot
you,
of love and
everybody who
respect.
joined in. This was a lot of love. Thank you so much.
All right,
Thank you.
bye-bye. Bye, Silvery.
Thank you so much. Bye.